Now welcome to your beautiful home. Hi, this is Jake Bautista and we'd like to welcome you to a brand new MetroGuide Realty house tour. Today we are presenting a brand new, modern and upscale 5-bedroom house and lot for sale located here in BF Homes, Paranaque City. This property has a total floor area of 330 square meters approximately and a lot area of 280 square meters. Now let's begin the tour. The first thing that you notice is the wide frontage and that clean and polished facade. Let's go. To the pedestrian gate, to your left, you have a parallel carport area for 3 vehicles. It's completely covered. You have access towards the side of the house, and you also have a driver's room on this side. So currently, the property just finished construction. That's why we still have some materials here that are gonna get cleared out. And now let's head on over towards our main entry. This is a nice design aspect leading towards your landscape area. And even the entire side of the house has these maki plants, and you have pebbles all the way here with the pavers. And now let's head on in. And here we are at your main entry, which is also completely covered with a beautiful natural wood door. Now welcome to your beautiful home. Welcome to your main living and dining space. So this area right here with the indirect lighting design is your main living space. You have plenty of natural light through the sliding door right here, giving you access towards the side of the house. And on this side, you have your dining area. You can accommodate a table here for 6 to 8 people. And it leads towards your kitchen area. You have a spacious kitchen with a dual level island countertop right here. They're actually not connected. This is a separate structure, which is a nice informal dining space here. Nice breakfast nook. You could have some stools right there. And then this is a nice meal prep space with storage as well. So you already have split type air conditioning units for the main living space and the kitchen and all 5 bedrooms of the property. And what's nice is this property already has appliances for the kitchen. You have an Elba branded induction cooktop, range hood, you have a microwave oven, and a double-doored refrigerator. Another nice aspect is you can open this up and you have a covered tiled space right here. This is a nice extension of your kitchen area. Right now it's raining and you can see that this area is covered and you have access towards the side of the house from here. Okay. And one of the most unique aspects of this property, which is rare for two-story properties that are brand new, is it already has an elevator. So this just got installed. That's why the aesthetic is still being fixed and even the panel is being fixed. But you can see that it's already in place. So the aesthetic is getting improved to match the rest of the property. But we're already showing this to you so that you can already have an idea of the layout and positioning of the different features of the property. And now from here, you have a powder room on this side and a dedicated auxiliary space. So you can have a second refrigerator here. You have another range hood and a 3-burner cooktop. And this is another aspect of this property that we love. You have a dedicated laundry space with a Samsung branded washer and dryer. And this area is already completely covered and even the plumbing has already been taken care of. So that's one less headache in purchasing a home. That's one less item that you need to think about. That's already solved for you. Okay? And then you have access here towards the side of the house. What's nice here is this area is completely covered leading towards the parking area. Okay? And then you have the circuit breakers here and then the staff bathroom and then a second staff room right here. So you have the driver's room, staff room beside the parking area, and this is the second staff room. Okay, we just won't go in here because there are currently some construction materials, but to be clear, you have 2 different staff rooms for this property. Okay, and here we have your first bedroom. So you have a gray wooden design for the flooring. What I noticed here is the workmanship. The way the panels have been laid together. It's very pulido in Tagalog. And also, you have nice cabinetry right here. Even the way that the design of the cabinetry has been pressed against the wood. You can see it's very fine. You don't see any part of it na naka-bulge. So, in terms of quality, well-built cabinetry. And then you have a lighted mirror right here. And your bathroom with floor-to-ceiling tiling. I like the texture design of the tile. It gives some character to the bathroom. And you have a Daikin inverter split type air conditioning unit for this first room. I also want to point out the splash tile of the kitchen is really nice and complements the aesthetic of the house. And you have natural wood for the stairs and the railing with tempered glass right here. Okay? And in terms of how sturdy it is, it's very sturdy as well. Okay? And now let's head on up. Now we're here at the second level of the property and you have 4 rooms here. Let's begin by taking a look at the primary bedroom. So you have indirect lighting, a nice picture window facing the front of the property, and you can have your king-sized bed on this side. Storage is built in here. Your entertainment console can be on this side, and then you have your walk-in closet space on this side, and your modern bathroom with your lighted mirror. You also have a balcony space right here as a nice additional amenity area for your primary bedroom. And now let's head on across the hallway towards the third bedroom. I like the sizes of this property because you can consider this also as a primary bedroom because it has a similar size as the last bedroom. It also has a walk-in closet space. And this is also quite significant. It matches or is almost the same as the storage of the other room. We're just defining that as the primary bedroom because it has that balcony. But of course, you can have this as a primary bedroom as well. And you have your modern bathroom. I like that this has a darker shade in terms of the tile. And it's such a strong contrast versus the light colors here. And once again, you have your elevator here. Installation is getting finished. But of course, the aesthetic is still getting polished over the next few days. Okay. And right here, you have your fourth bedroom. I like the sizes of the rooms in this property. So even if you have grown children or you have family members who are already adults who are living with you, like grown siblings, the size of the rooms can accommodate them. And you have these recessed cabinets already built into the wall. And you have a provision here if you'd like to add your own personal touch after purchasing the property. And once again, you have your modern bathroom. I like this aspect of having a lighted space right here. Just a nice interior design touch. And right here you have your fifth bedroom. And this is right beside the primary bedroom. So this is in front of the property. That's why you have these large windows. Nice square shape so that you can have a large bed here, even a queen-sized bed. And then your entertainment console. And then the hallway space leading to the door is maximized by having the storage. And you have, once again, your modern bathroom. And I like that this area is lit. That's such a nice design aspect. And now let's head on over once again to the front of the house to cap off the tour. If you want to know more about this property or visit it in person, just click the description below where you can get in touch with us through our email and number shown there. You can also send us a message through Instagram, Facebook, and now also on TikTok. And if you have a property you'd like to feature through our channel, you can send us an email at metroguiderealty@gmail.com. Once again, my name is Jake Bautista. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bring you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family.